following announcement has been paid for by Perched on the Top Rope.
Say his name and he shall appear. This is Joe Hendry, and you are listening to Perched on the Top Rope.
Don't take trouble for very long. I'll get something deep inside.
Welcome everyone to Perched on the Top Rope. I am in my elite office, so that means we have an unboxing video. And this unboxing video comes courtesy of Captain's Corners. Now, recently, Captain's Corner, my buddy Nick, did a private signing with who is in this box. And this is a part 1 series because I did this with another vendor as well who also had a private signing with Hulk Hogan. However, in that video I will explain why the video is the way that it is as part 1 and part 2. This one just happened, this box happened to show up first. Nick is a good friend of mine. He is awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, the box is open. And first things first, everything is well packaged. A lot of bubble wrap. The figures are wrapped really well. Ladies and gentlemen, from the Monday Night Wars of WWF and WCW, the Monday Night Wars, Hulk Hogan, autographed, and it is autographed in blue with Hollywood Hogan. Look at that. So that's pretty cool. This is awesome for the collection. I'm like running out of room to put things. This is getting really bad. I have to spend a day to clean and organize in here just a little bit. However, there is one more figure, folks. Oh yeah. And this one is one that I could not get my hands on in time. As I said, there's going to be a part 2 to this. However, Series 24 Hulk Hogan Legends figure, this literally just came out. Just came out. So this is also in blue, which is honestly perfect because with the yellow, if it was a yellow signature, it would have been too much. And I feel like the red would have been too much too with all the red on the shirt. So the blue is perfect on this. I can't wait to get these in a display. Now, like I said, this is part 1, as part 2 is going to have a lot of Hulk Hogan action figures. So make sure you tune in for part 2 of the Hulk Hogan haul. Make sure you go and watch other videos, from unboxing videos, card breaks, awesome interviews with Vince Russo, with Ultimo Dragon, with former WWE writer Rob Hockman. We just had an interview with Bobby Stevenson, formerly known as Damon Kemp. So make sure you go and you check those videos out here at YouTube. Hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now you can find us on other social media as well, such as Apple Podcast. It's Perched on the Top Rope. We are ranked in several countries on Chartable. thank you for that. You can also find us at Facebook at facebook.com/perched on the top rope. We are on TikTok at Perched on the Top Rope. You can find us on Instagram and Threads. It's Perched on the Top Rope Podcast, because after all, we are a podcast. And ladies and gentlemen, remember, spoiler free is the way to be. I'm out.